Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of two things. The Kohi tripod stand and the Lark C1 from Hollyland. Both I'm hoping to be an upgrade to the channel, to the setup that I currently have, and we'll go from there. Stick with me and see how the improvements are. So why do I think I need this improvement? So I'll go over what I currently use. So as a light, I have this Juice clip-on light. It's rechargeable. It's really good. It's really bright. And to be honest, this is staying. This is good. I'm a fan of this. Balancing you on my keyboard now. It's kind of working. It's not bad, but that's just so I can show you what I currently use. So I have this. It's an unbranded little tripod made in Japan. It was £2 from a car boot. The legs flip in, fold in, screw in, screw in. You can hold it. It's quite sturdy, to be honest, but I was looking for something that's a bit longer that I could plop on my desk, because I currently sit it on some books on a box, and it sort of limits what I can do with it. But it's not bad. It's not bad. The legs, they fold out, and you screw it back in. A ball joint on the top, which I attach to a use-on phone thing. Now this is quite flimsy. This is from Amazon. I think it's about a tenner, to be fair, but it's means to an end. It held my phone. It's okay, but I would not recommend it. I also use, sometimes, not often, an Amazon Basics tripod. Now it's a big one. It's quite compact, but it's big. It's big and wide when it's set up, which is why I tend to not use it, because it's a good bit of hassle to set up and to use. But it is actually a solid bit of kit. Now just excuse this. This is Christmas presents. Okay, so it's right in the way. I should probably hide that as well, in case the person whose Christmas present it is, they see it. And microphone. I have this little wireless lavalier microphone. It's not very good. I also used to have a Rode Micro clip onto your desk, sort of plug-in sort of thing, which was a bit more streamer type thing. I used that when I did some streams, and that's good, but it's static. It stays where it is. I'm not using it right now. So my desk has drawers underneath, so I can't really clip it onto my desk, which is annoying, but we move. Hence the upgrade to the microphone and the stand. And now we'll go back to the normal setup on the tripod with the light and everything. So there we go. So that's what we're currently working with. We'll do the tripod first. Now the box is very nice. Pictures. It looks like it's got a similar stand, like a similar phone thing. It's for a phone more so than a camera, because that's what I'm working with. It looks slim at the base. Tall. Reckons it's made of nylon and aluminium. Carry size 12 inches, insert joke. Max lift 32 inches, so tall, quite tall. Hey Siri, what's 32 inches in meters?
32 inches is 0.81 meters.
0.81 meters. That's probably bigger than me. So pop it open, whoop, maybe a bit more carefully than that. So the bag dropped out. I'm guessing this is where the phone grips in, and that is, that's solid. Because this one, if I was to sneeze right now, camera would knock. That locks in place. Is that a screw? Screw. How wide does it go? Really wide. But yeah, that feels tight. That should be a win. Let's look at more bits. I wasn't expecting more. Right, this little joint, which I'm not entirely sure. They're both screw on, so don't know. Little bag. I think this is a Bluetooth remote, which in all honesty, I've never really had the skill to use, but I've had a couple of little cheap ones before. But this actually, so there will be the nylon, it says on the case, or little, look at that. Wrap it around your wrist in case you don't lose it. Well, that's nice actually. And it's got a little, looks good. Buttons, nice click on and off. It's got a battery, just a little button battery. Nice. Do I think I'll ever use it? I don't think I've got the skill or knowledge to get to a point where I would use that sort of thing. Just attaching it to the little, yeah, that's cool. That's okay. I don't think it'll encourage me to use it, but who knows? Maybe I'll develop and learn and get to it. Oh, orange. My ginger south does love a bit of orange. It's got a little slot. Look at that. Feels good actually. I think if you were to whack someone with this, not that you should, do some damage. Now let's just fiddle with it. Don't think there's instructions. Well, there is instructions, but we don't need that, hopefully. Oh, so unlock, lock. Let's unwind. See when it. Warning, be sure to follow these steps. I'm not worried. I'm unlocking. Feels unlocked. I think this is how it pops out. Oh yeah. So you unlock it. You unlock it to release the legs. And that is nice. And that stays up there. Perfect. So that's the legs. Let me just see how it stands. That's alright. Let me just move you. Now here, look, I'll move you and you'll drop. Oh, you've dropped. Wait, has my camera kept you the right way? Oh my god. After all this time, it's keeping me back. It's just zooming in. It's keeping me in focus. Well, you learn something new every day. But look, here it is. Just giving it a little kick. She's alright. Did not know. So literally, look, camera's level. Boom. Now she's like this. She's at an angle, big angle. It's nearly flipped. Alright then. Now let's try and make this boy big. Let's make it big. Come on. Twist that. No. Just a pull. No, let's see what it says. So it says pull this down. Okay, so this must oh, it does come down. Oh, it's got a little. Well, the whole thing does come down. Right, so maybe we'll lock this at the bottom. We'll lock this, spin back around, lock this at the bottom. Oh, just give it a yank. Oh, that's easy. Now let's give her, here she is the long girl. She's alright. She's long. She's about my height. Let's give her a couple of taps on the top. Oh, she went. Seems good. It seems good. Very happy with that. Let's put it away. Put it away before we do the next thing. Oh, I didn't lock the bottom very well. Oh, she's tight. Oh, there you go. Right. Unlock. Close legs. Lock. She's good. Put her in a bag. Well, to be fair, this is solid. Seems like a bit of a cheap bag. And she's in. That's her done. So that's the tripod. Initial thoughts, very happy. Quick flick through the instructions, see if there's anything magic it does. So this, you probably already know, is a GoPro attachment. Well, I'll be microphone. Now, made for iPhone, because my phone does only have lightning, and I'm hoping this will just increase the sound quality. Let's just get into it. Oh, it's a compact box, but we're there. Oh, cute. So, instructions, a little card that says, "We are here for you." After sales card. Thank you, let's get in touch. Beautiful. Not interested, sorry. Comes a little case. My fan. Little cable. USB-C. What's this? A little dead cat. Cute. Let's squeeze that in there. It's got a little cushion as well to protect it, which is nice. Right, let's pull it out. So they're covered in wax paper to protect them. So it's got that satisfying, you know, Apple sort of quality-esque opening. So here's the microphone. So from now on I'll be, boom, look at that, clipped in. The beard hides most of it. I wonder if I can hide all of it. No, not all of it. But actually, that's not bad. That's hidden. But I like to go from this side. Who knows? Well, it's there. And this little boy. So it does come where you can have two of these connected up to one. For, I guess, for interviews, two people, podcasts, that sort of jam. I don't need two, I'm on my own. Just undoing it. If you're wondering about the beanie, it's free from the father-in-law. He works with lorries. These are a lorry, what does it say? Truck and Trailer Supplies Limited. So he gets magazines and stuff from them, but they give him all sorts of freebies, like a hat. They give him caps, all sorts of stuff. And this, I end up with it. And I'm not against the beanies getting cold now. That boy, let's zoom in. Ching ching, looks nice, looks neat. I like the yellow touch. It's lightweight, obviously it's tiny, so it'll be heavy, I suppose. But the little, didn't quite notice that. Inside the case, it's got little grooves, so it all fits in perfectly. And that's on the ball. I'll give it a good old try. Might need charging first. I don't want to break it beforehand, but that's the aesthetics of it. That's the look. There will be links to them in the description below, so you can see, try them out, check them, give them a go. And for all intents and purposes, that's the end of the video. I'm just going to ramble now a little bit about why it takes me so long to produce videos that I know aren't the best quality, don't have the most detail or the most value, but it's something I'm working on. So a realization just lately is that I think I might have ADHD, which is why I try and start lots of all sorts of problems and stuff like that. And literally as of today, it's been shown to me that there's this frequency that sort of nullifies your brain a bit. And I've been giving it a go today. Usually I've got my to-do list, which I always do, which I have, and everything feels like a massive chore, and I always plan down loads more stuff than I actually manage to do. I just run out of steam, usually quite quickly, but I'm on it today. I'm on it. I am the house husband, the housewife. I've cleaned the house, looking after the kid. I've cooked dinner. I've meal prepped. What else have I done? Sorted some bits out in the garage. Still got to go do a bit of shopping, but that's planned for in a moment. After this video, I've recorded this video, for goodness sake, and we went off a bit. And I've wrapped up some Christmas presents because it is getting that time of the year. What I've been doing, and you hear a lot of gurus go on about it, the Pomodoro method, is I've been doing that with headphones, noise cancelling headphones, but they have pass through, so it's all safe. Whilst the Babs was having a nap, I've also started filling out an EHCP form for Rose, my daughter, which if you've been following along for a bit, you know that she's got issues. If you want a video about that, I can. Started going into more detail about her EHCP, which is a big, heavy document, and you really need to focus. So I've been doing the Pomodoro method, having it on, sound on, the hertz, I think it's 852 hertz. There's an app that syncs up with this, but it's on Spotify, it's on YouTube. There's things that just will play this, and I can't actually describe how it feels, but I put it on and it's like my brain's sort of like getting zapped. It's just like nothing. It's a bit weird, but I can feel it in my head, which sounds really wishy-washy, really strange, but that's what I've been doing. And is it in my head? Very well could be. It could very well just be in my head, but at the same time, I've not been this productive for a very long time, and anybody who has been on this channel for a while will know that I do try and be as productive as possible at all times. I'm a work smart kind of guy, because it takes me a lot of effort to do anything. I think that's where it comes from, and so that's what I've been up to. So if you've made it this far, if you've got any questions, please do leave them down below. If you want my old microphone, please comment below. I'm happy to dish it out to somebody. You might have to pay for postage, depending on where you live. And please give it a like, subscribe and comment, all that good stuff. And hopefully this will be me returning back into action and regular viewing. That's the plan, that's the goal. As always, I've been James, thank you.